Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kate. For those of y'all that don't know me, if you do, welcome back. Today we are going to hop into the new iOS 14 update. I literally downloaded it last night because of TikTok. I mean, who doesn't want to see how cute it is? But I was like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna put that much time or energy into it, and then I did. And honestly, it wasn't as bad as I had thought it was. It took a little bit of time, and it took me like an hour and a half maybe once I got everything figured out, and that was like me teaching myself as well. So you guys can do it. I'm gonna try to simplify it as quick as possible. I put up my home screen on my Instagram story and I got a lot of DMs. I got like 10 DMs about it immediately, and then I put a question like, do you guys want me to put a tutorial on how to do this? And I got 65 yeses, and like honestly, I never get that many yeses for anything I post on my story. So I figured it was time to make a little tutorial. So I'm gonna try to keep this as simple as possible. Like I said, let's get into it. I'm going to first show you guys what mine looks like, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, and then kind of give you guys ideas and inspiration for how you guys can do it. To start, as you guys probably saw from like the picture of this video, you guys will already have seen the home screen that I have right now. Home screen, I guess is what you would call it. Mine looks like this. I think it is so cute. It has like motivational quotes right here. It's got the calendar. It's got a picture of me and my boyfriend. It's very like Western and black themed. I really, really like it. I got some cow print up there. I never thought that Western themed was like my aesthetic, but I just went with it, and now I'm like obsessed, and I love opening my phone. So I'm gonna show you guys with what mine looks like. I'm gonna scooch over here so I can put my phone screen right here so you guys can see it better, and let's just get into how I did it. You guys are tired of me talking, right? Right. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on screen record so you guys can see everything that I have, and let's go. So first of all, you're gonna open Pinterest. And once you have Pinterest open, you're gonna find a background and a wallpaper for your screen. If you've had an iPhone for a while, this is pretty simple. And also, I forgot to add, you're gonna have to update your phone to iOS 14. Once I downloaded the iOS 14, I thought it was gonna immediately already have like the widgets on there, and it didn't. So I was really, really confused. And all it had was like, when you swipe one over, it took me to like this, where it had a ton of different widgets and everything like that. And I was like, what the heck? So what you're gonna do is open it up, go find your background on Pinterest. The way that works the best is to find a background that doesn't have a lot of clutter to it. So this Just Peachy one that I'm showing you guys right now, I would not pick this one just because it is so busy. I would go with something a little bit more simplistic, like this newspaper maybe, or I mean maybe this cow print, but keep it simple. Don't do something super busy because it's gonna have a lot on it and it's gonna get really cluttered really quick. So once you do that, you're gonna set it as your background picture on your home screen, not your lock screen. And I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to do that, so I'm gonna skip that step. So once you have your desired background on there, you're gonna start getting into the fun stuff. So the first thing that I'm gonna recommend you guys do is download Widgetsmith. So Widgetsmith has been helping me out a lot. It looks like this, as you guys can see on your screen right now, and you can really take a look at it and edit it how you want. So there are small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. All of them can be customized to be each other. You just have to figure out what size you want. So when I say that, if you want a small calendar widget, you can do that. I have the medium longer square one. It's this medium one, and then it's gonna take you to the screen that says default widget. You're gonna click default widget, and you're going to kind of look at your styles. Do you want the date to be shown? Do you want it to say Monday at the top and then the date underneath? Do you want to do a custom photo in that spot? Do you want to have your upcoming events? It is really up to you. I did the month and date, and I actually kind of like this big day one because I always forget what day of the week it is. Watch some of my old videos and I'm going to be like, wow, today is Thursday, and it's actually not Thursday. So there you have it. So then I'm gonna go on the font. I really like New York font. I think it looks really classy. It's very like this font called Vogue that I have on my computer that I use all the time. I think it's so, so cute. And then after that, you can go down to tint color, and you're not gonna see black down here until you change your background color. So once you change your background color to something else, you can go pick yellow, pastel, whatever color you want, click that, go back to tint color, and you can find black if that's what you want to do. I just think black looks really minimal. I'm really digging it right now. It goes with my aesthetic that I have and all that. So once you have all that done, you're going to go back, hit save, and then go back to your home screen. I'm going to be working with the second screen, as you guys can see, just because I already have my first side set up. So I'm going to work with the second one. And then what you're going to do is long push on your home page, hit the little plus button, and you're going to go down to Widgetsmith. Once you have that, you're going to go over to the medium, because we did it on the medium. If you guys want to use a large one, you can do that, whatever you guys want to do. Click it, add widget, hit done, and it's just going to look like that. Once you have that, you can long press again on, don't long press on the calendar, long press anywhere else that doesn't have apps or anything, and you can move it to a different area. I'm going to wait to move it around for a little bit until I have everything all set up. So next, you can just keep doing that. If you want to add a picture, go back to Widgetsmith, go to small number 1, because it's going to say that when you haven't messed with it at all. Default widget, click that, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see photo. Then you're going to click selected photo, choose photo, and you're just going to pick a picture that you want to use there. So I'm going to use this cute little picture. So I'm going to scroll down and use this picture of myself, because this is just an example. Why not? And then click out of it, small number 1, and save. Cool. Go back, plus sign, down to Widgetsmith. Okay, I think I said that weird, but you guys get my drift. Small, add widget, done. And then if you want to change it, so as you guys can see, it did not pull up my picture. Long press on the home screen again, click it, change widget number to small number 1. And there you go, there's my face. Awesome, cool. We can figure all that part out. The thing that everyone wants to know, I have 2 things for you guys. 1, how do I get a changing motivational quote that I have on the front page? 2, why are my icons black and white, and how the heck did I do that? Let's do the motivational quote first, because it's easier than the icons. The icons are where it's gonna get tricky. So bear with me, you guys. We're gonna get through this. What you guys are gonna do is go into the App Store. Once you get into the App Store, you're gonna search motivation. You're gonna look for the black one with the 2 little quotation marks. You're gonna download that. I already have it downloaded. Wait for it to download, and it's really easy, really cute, whatever. How you get that on your home screen is you're going to long press on the screen again, hit the plus mark, and then you're going to search motivation. Click it. You can pick the size that you want. I'm gonna go with the small square again, add widget, and then you can play with it. I just realized that I showed you guys how to put the widget on, and I didn't edit my calendar widget to be the right one. So I'm gonna click medium 1, it's gonna switch to the Monday, September 21st one. Same thing with the motivation. You're going to click motivation, you're gonna go to themes, and then you can go ahead and pick your theme. There are premium ones at the bottom. You just have to either watch an ad or pay the premium. I just watched an ad. I don't know if I only get it for a few days or what, but so far so good, right? Okay. I'm gonna pick something simple, because as you guys see, I have kind of a simple look going. I'm just gonna go with the white one. Click out of it. There you have it. It is white. So cute. It's coming together. I love it. So, okay, now for the big guy that you guys have probably all are here for. How the hell do I get my apps to look black and white and super aesthetic? So there is a plus side to this and a negative side to this. The plus side of having this is it looks really cute. Looks aesthetic as heck. Bad part of it, let me show ya. When you click the app, it's gonna open the shortcuts before it opens the actual app. Yeah, that is hella annoying. I agree with you. So what I did to tackle this is I kept all of my main apps still on my phone. I just put them onto the second page instead of the first page so that I can easily access them. The first page is more for aesthetic, but if you don't mind going through that half a second step that takes you to shortcuts first, then have at it. It's just really up to you and what your preference is. So let's get into the app thing. How the heck did I do this? I need to stop talking because you guys just want to know about this, right? Right. Okay. You are going to pull down your phone and search for the shortcut app. This app is with your phone, so it should be on all of your Apple phones. It's going to look like this. Once you get into it, bear with me, you're going to tap the plus at the top right corner. You're going to click Add Action, and you're going to hit Scripting. Open App, then you're going to hit Choose, that's in blue, and you're going to search the app that you want to use. So I'm doing the clock app right now. Click that, and then you're going to see 3 little dots in a blue circle at the top under Next. Tap that. Don't do anything with it, just hit Add to Home Screen, and it's going to take you to this page. Once you get to this page, you're going to click the new shortcut, name it something. So I'm going to name mine Clock. Tap the icon to the left of it, not the one at the top. Choose Photo, and then choose what photo you want to use. So I'm going to show you guys, I saved a bunch of stuff on Pinterest because I knew what aesthetic I wanted. If you guys want kind of an idea of what to do, I looked up phone social media icons, and you're gonna see a bunch of stuff like this. And you can just search and click, like these are really cute if you're gonna go with like a pink and blue aesthetic. Scroll down, you're gonna see even more options. So it really is whatever you want to do. You can also make your own in Canva if you want to do that for free. I love Canva. I use it all the time. But let's go back. So I want to use a photo for this one. I don't want to use one of those little icons because I've been kind of deviating between icons and cute photos. So I saved some stuff in backgrounds. This is my personal Pinterest folder. And I'm going to go to, what do I want to do? Kind of like this. It's kind of Western, kind of has some cool colors. It's going to go well with my background. I'm going to screenshot it. Once I screenshot it, you can go back to shortcuts and it's going to be right there. You can adjust it however you want. I really like that it's a circle because I'm doing it for my clock. Choose and add at the top right corner. It's going to add it to your home screen. Now here's the thing that you don't do. You are going to want to do most of your apps like this probably, or at least like your home front screen apps, right? Probably. Do not click plus and keep adding them, because what's going to happen is if you do that, it's going to try to open like a bunch of different things at once, and it's going to keep looping. So you're going to want to start from the beginning at this page every single time, and then hit plus at the top. Do it again with every single app. Yes, it's redundant. It's really annoying. If you want a cute home screen aesthetic, I guess it's worth it, but this is what takes like the longest time for sure. And then finding all the images that you want to use for it also takes a while. As you can see, my clock icon is now on my page. I can long tap on the background again and move the old clock over to another page, so it's off this page, and there you go. But that is how I change the image on the app background. So it's really cute. Do you want to take that extra 2 seconds or half second of your day to open the Shortcuts app before you actually get into the app? I don't know. That's completely up to you. I don't mind it, but I also like to keep all of my apps on the homepage just in case it gets on my nerves. But another thing you can do is long click on your background again, click the little buttons at the bottom, and you can click and choose which pages are going to show up and which ones are not going to show up on your home page. So if you have like your games on one page, I have a lot of games on my phone, never grew out of that, then you can hide that page if you want. And then if you still pull down and search that app, it's still going to come up. So I hope that helped you guys. Let me know. I really like it. I'm really digging my aesthetic right now. I think it looks so cute. I love that the motivational quote changes all the time. I love the picture of me and Chuck on there. It just makes me feel so much happier when I pull it up. So if you guys have any more questions, let me know. I tried to make this as quick as possible, so I'm so sorry that it was a lot longer than I thought, but it's kind of confusing. So hope this helped. If you guys came here from my Instagram, let me know down in the comments below. And if you didn't, follow me on Instagram. My is @KEggy, and let me know what you guys want to see, and if you guys need any help with anything, DM me there and I'd be happy to help. I would love it, love it, love it if you would subscribe. I will see you guys next week for another video, and I hope this helped. Thanks, bye.